Hey, do you know what happened to me yesterday morning?
Oh, yeah. What's up?
Well, it was just kind of funny. I woke up and I felt like heavy. You know that feeling?
Uh-huh. Like you just can't be bothered to move?
Exactly. Even though honestly, I slept really well. So weird.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's like your body is saying, nope, stay here, but your brain's like, gotta do stuff. Lots of people feel that sometimes.
Totally. And then get this, my alarm just didn't go off.
Oh, no.
So I woke up super late and it just made me want to crawl back under the covers, even with work stuff waiting.
Oh, man. A broken alarm is like the worst start.
Yeah,
Sounds like you had the classic morning blahs plus the late start.
pretty much.
Something kind of small but nice happened to me yesterday, too, actually. Morning time.
Yeah. What was it?
Well, I was waiting for the bus, feeling a bit like, Monday or, just another day.
Mm-hmm.
But then I saw this person at the stop, and they just had this huge, like, really happy smile.
Hmm.
It was nothing big,
Yeah.
right? But it kind of made me feel a little hopeful.
Hmm.
Like, okay, maybe today won't be so bad. A fresh start, sort of.
That's so true. A little smile, it can really change your mood, can it?
It really can.
Well, you know what I did? After I finally dragged myself out of bed,
What'd you do?
I made myself a really, really good cup of coffee, like the strong kind.
Nice.
And then I just stepped outside for a short walk, just around the block.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, the air was like cool and fresh, and I could hear birds singing. It was actually really calm.
Mm-hmm.
And it kind of shifted things for me. It made me think, okay, I can do this. Maybe today's okay.
That sounds lovely. Yeah, getting outside, even for a minute, that fresh air,
Mm-hmm.
it helps. Nature sounds too.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I actually tried a few little things too, because I was feeling a bit sluggish myself.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Well, first, I set 2 alarms for today. Just learned that lesson,
Huh. Smart. I should do that.
definitely. And I made sure to drink something warm, like right away. Had a cup of
Mm.
tea. Just kind of helps wake you up gently.
Yeah, warm drinks are nice.
And like you said, the walk, I just walked around my building quickly. Just a few minutes. Makes a difference.
Totally. Oh, and breakfast. I made sure to eat something simple, but, healthy-ish.
Good call. What did you have?
Just some fruit and a little sandwich. Quick. But it gave me some energy, didn't make me feel all heavy again.
Yeah, easy energy. Good.
Ooh, and this might sound silly.
Go.
I put on a really short, like super happy, upbeat song while I was getting ready,
Not silly at all.
just for like 3 minutes. But it kind of, I don't know, brought me into a slightly better mood.
Music is powerful. That's a great tip. Totally not silly. You know what else I did?
What?
While I was waiting for the bus, I just focused on my breathing for a minute.
Oh, like deep breaths.
Yeah, just slow, deep breaths. In,
Yeah.
hold a second, and then slowly out. Sounds so basic, right?
Yeah, but does it work?
It actually did. It just calmed my thoughts down a bit, cleared my head.
Huh. I did something kind of like that at work later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was feeling a bit stressed, deadlines and stuff, so I just closed my eyes for like literally 1 minute.
All right.
And I just thought about something happy, like a funny memory.
Nice little escape.
Yeah, it was just a tiny break, but it kind of reset me, reminded me that, okay, even if the start was rough, it's a new moment now. Fresh start idea again.
Exactly. Those little pauses, they really can add up. Oh, and later at lunch, I was talking to a colleague,
Mm-hmm.
and we both kind of admitted, like, man, today feels a bit tough.
Oh, yeah. It helps when someone else gets it.
Really does. We just said, yeah, it's hard, but hey, tomorrow's another day.
Mm.
Just knowing someone else felt the same.
Yeah.
It made me feel, well, understood, less alone in it.
Totally. I think loads of us, especially, working in offices with the commute and schedules and pressure, we feel that.
Yeah, it's common.
Maybe just planning one tiny fun thing helps, like deciding you'll have your favorite snack later,
Ooh, I like that.
or just planning a quick chat with a friend you like at work.
Yeah, having a little something to look forward to. That's a great point. Something else I did yesterday, I wrote myself a little note.
Like on paper?
Yeah, just a sticky note. It just said, today is a new start. Simple.
And where did you put it?
Right on my computer screen, where I'd see it.
Oh, I love that. A little visual reminder.
Yeah. just a little bit of encouragement staring back at me helped remind me that, okay, the morning was bad, but the whole day doesn't have to be.
That's really cool. Little things, right? They can be
Mm.
surprisingly powerful. I've also been trying to just drink a glass of water, like first thing when I wake up.
How's that going?
It actually helps, makes me feel a bit more awake,
Hmm.
less groggy.
Water? Simple.
Yeah. And just like a quick 2-minute stretch, nothing crazy, just reaching up, bending down, gets the blood flowing maybe,
Yeah.
makes me feel less like I want to go back to sleep.
Water and stretching. Good combo. Makes sense. Yesterday morning, while I was waiting for my coffee to brew,
Yeah.
I was looking out the window, and it was raining.
Oh, rain can make things feel gloomy sometimes.
Yeah, that was my first thought.
Yeah.
Like, oh, great, rain too. But then I kind of just watched the raindrops for a second,
Okay.
and I thought, well, rain is natural. It just happens. And sometimes things just start slowly, like nature.
Ah, I see where you're going.
Yeah, it just made me think maybe it's actually okay to have a slow start sometimes. We don't always have to be rushing and super energetic right away.
Yeah.
It's okay to just ease into it.
That's a really nice way to look at it. So, bottom line, feeling a bit down or slow in the morning, it's super normal.
Totally normal. Happens to everyone.
But it doesn't have to ruin the whole day. And maybe those moments are chances to, notice how we feel.
Yeah, self-awareness.
And like we said, small things, a walk, coffee, a chat, a stretch, they can really help turn things around.
Exactly. So just to kind of wrap up the easy tips we talked about from yesterday,
Yeah.
if you feel those morning blahs,
Yeah.
try setting 2 alarms maybe. Have a warm drink, eat something decent for breakfast, even if it's small.
Go for that short walk or do a quick stretch.
Yeah. Take a few deep breaths if you feel stressed. Or that 1-minute happy thought break you mentioned.
Right. And maybe leave yourself a little positive note.
Yeah, like today's a new start. Simple things.
And just remember, every day really is a new beginning. Even if the morning feels tough, one small change can make the whole day feel different.
So true. And don't forget the power of just like a simple smile you see or a kind word you share.
Mm-hmm. Makes a difference.
Yeah, those morning blues, they're like a cloud, maybe. But there's always a silver lining, or at least the sun's behind it. You just got to shift your view a little sometimes.
Nice way to put it.
Hope our little stories and tips from our yesterday mornings help someone out there maybe have a brighter start next time.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone, for listening to us just kind of chat about our day yesterday. We really hope these small ideas might spark something for you. Life can be tough sometimes, for sure.
It can.
But we can all try to make each day just a little bit brighter, right?
Absolutely. Thanks for joining our, simple, honest conversation today. Give some of these ideas a try tomorrow, maybe, if you need them.
Yeah, let us know if they help.
We'd love to hear. Have a really great day, everyone. And remember,
Every day is a new chance.
it really is.
And hey, if you liked this chat and want more helpful stuff like this,
Please subscribe and like. It helps us out.
have a great day.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.